Tari ngonzo de legung la di kare farewell party ngonzo shela changma damen danga ye the sushi che mi changma gi gaya nga gore shumani shela da nga di bala ani di ngonzo gi di kare shrimp roll re Malaysian shrimp roll che ani shrimp che ani di kare tea sandwich platter chasha ani di kare Puraven gi chasha che ani diga la salad dojik che ani shumane shala zonga diga la mi changma ga gyo ngana yagodo di platter di mi changma ga uchigido ani di khachi gi khalare ani the roasted vegetable. So when you order food, make sure that everybody likes your food based on their palate. You can order it. So this is Korean beef bulgogi ngaju changma gawi ora Korean ki beef tinga yere and the vegetable samosa re the mingchibo samosa re shaya che dang samosa do da yo mar tang ngaju yagal salong che ni samosa khande ba haura and the grilled chicken tandoori and the mimang che inji du gao che the crab meat che and the vegetarian the falafel khachi din ji and here's the presentation. And this is my mojito. Hi Tina, do you want to say something?
Hi.
So can you say something about this event?
Oh, we are here to, it hasn't started, but we are going to bid farewell to one of the lawyers who is retiring. His name is Wu From. So this is why we are here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
It was nice organizing with you.
Yeah, it was a pleasure also. Always a pleasure to work with you.
Thank you. So here's my mojito. And Alex Aguiar, we are missing you. This mojito is for you. I'm drinking on your behalf. We specially ordered this for you. And we have an open bar there. So anybody can go and get their drinks. And let me take you to the dessert section. We have cake. We have a cake. So here. And outside, here's the view. Hi Abraham.
Hi Kunjok, how are you?
Good. Can you tell me something about the event that we are hosting? And I just want to say thank you for putting up this video, and thank you for the everything, and welcome to our team.
Thank you for having me as part of your team, and it was such a beautiful opportunity to put this video together, and I'm so excited for this event. And yeah, I think we're gonna have a great party, a farewell party that we've organized for a wonderful colleague who's leaving, who's retiring, yeah, I look forward to work with you in the future.
Thank you so much. Can you explain me about the drinks that you order? I know that you went through the menu to order this drink. So what do we have, Abraham?
Well, we have a bunch of cocktails, wonderful wine collections, some Californian wines, French wines, and from Latin America as well. And so, hey, Conrad. Good seeing you.
One of our lawyers is here. Hi, Conrad. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please get something.
Something.
So you are the one who chose that cake. So why do you like that cake so much?
Well, this is the best cake ever that I've tasted. So I enjoyed it from the last party that I attended. I insisted on having it this time around.
And whatever you want, you'll get it from our side.
Gonna love it, yes.
Hi, Cecile. Help yourself. What are you having?
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay. Okay, all right. Enjoy your drink.
Thank you.
And I think get something to eat.
Okay.
Okay, alrighty. So people enjoy everything. We ordered everything with lots of love and care. We went through each menu with our boss, Miss Johnson. So, look. Enjoy, people.
I don't have any of that. I mean, I grew those out. Let's not worry about it. I'm going to be taller, Bob.
Hey Kunchok, how are you?
Hi, Ibrahim.
What are you having?
I'm having sushi and beef and drinking mojito on behalf of Alex Aguiar. Alex, we are missing you a lot and we ordered this specially for you, Alex. Get well soon. Tisa COVID kichini mi mangche laga nangni chigure mi thari sapasang ichera mi digas payment dunia download ya go chungso anang zo floor shamba chungmo din ke tangni ani shobu kyo chungso anzo samma pe to go chungso.
Okay, go.
Good luck.
Good luck. Happy retirement. Good.
Thank you so much, and thanks for putting this together, both of you. I spend a lot of time and energy, and I appreciate it.
Kuncho, I should still continue. Kuncho, I should still.
Can you help me, please? Yeah.